I'm eastbound down, loading up and trucking. We gonna do what they say can be done. We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound to Quattro Bandit Run.
Okay, so here's the plan for today. I see we're in the Big Kenworth, and we're going to go to TSI today to go return this reefer and go pick up another one. The boss says he's 100% sure that TSI is open today. He didn't call them, but he says, I'm sure they're open today. We'll see about that, see if they actually are. Then he's going to call the shipping line with the INBU because I tried to return that to CN last night, and they said, nope, we cannot take it as an empty Yang Min, because he said the shipping line didn't remove the block on it, so we're going to do that later. Both trucks right now are running. The Freightliner's running with the idle set, so when we get back, it should be nice and toasty. Hopefully someone comes with a plow, because between door 5, which I'm in now, and door 3, where the Freightliner is, there's a huge snowdrift, and there's no way in hell I'm going to be able to hook onto the trailer that's in door 4 because that snowdrift is in the way. So hopefully someone comes by and clears that out. So let's see how the day turns out. It's going to be a slow slugging through the day with all the snow. Hopefully I don't have any deliveries, because that would really, really suck. I don't think very many places are going to be open for that today, but we'll see. Anyway, let's get this show on the road and start trucking. I knew this would happen. Not even out of the door yet. Well, just pulled out of the door, managed to close the trailer, and I'm already stuck. That's what I hate about automatics. Already stuck. I'm sitting here just spinning my tires, going back and forth, and I'm stuck. And because it's an automatic, I can't shove it into a higher gear, and I can't rock it very well because it's an automatic. Oh, let me get out of here. Maybe. No. And it's not full lockup, which is what I wanted in the day cab. And come on, you pig. Well, I'm moving, but not very far. I'm moving maybe 2-3 feet at a time. Come on, get out of it, get, and I'm stuck. And it stops. Like, I go maybe a few feet, and then that's it. Anyway, see how long it takes me to get out of here. I might be here for at least an hour. Well, I finally got going, so I got to have it stuffed in manual, because it'll just keep trying to grab gears when it's spinning. I don't want that, because if I stop, I won't get started again because I'm empty. And that's with a box on. With a chassis, oh, it's going to be even worse. Once I get a loaded box on, it won't be so bad. Right now, I don't want to stop. Like, I'm coming to a stop sign right now, and I don't want to stop for it. I'll roll it, but I'm not going to stop for it because I won't get going again. How about you take that loader over in our yard? Oh, great, there's an accident right here. Lovely. Anyway, we're off to TSI. This is going to be a very, very long, tiring day. Keep watching. And this is a boulevard here. He's pacing the wrong way. He's spun out. Oh, I don't want to go there. I'm going to get stuck. Look at this guy. He's trying to turn there and stuck. Stuck. Did he make it? Oh, he made it. Good for you. Nah, he's stuck. He's stuck! I wish I had another bag of salt. I'd go out there and help him. I don't. I used my only bag of salt to get me out. Ah, oh, what a lovely day this is turning out to be. This is going to be an interesting video. What this guy should do is drop his extension, put it in the back of his trailer, and give him a push. But of course, he's not going to. Oh, he's going to do something. No, he's not. No, he's not. gonna help him? No. Alright, our exit should be right over here to go on the 40 westbound. Get to Point Claire. Barely see the line. Well, we made it to TSI. Took about from the time I came in to get here, took about an hour and a half. But now we're waiting for them to take off our empty can. Should be interesting because now is where the real fun begins. Because once I take the can off, I'll have absolutely no weight on the truck, just an empty chassis, and I am going to get stuck everywhere. It's going to be even worse than it was before. But just take it slow, take it easy, and can't rush today because that's when accidents happen. You know the way my boss is, rush, fast, hurry, quick, fast. But you can't go fast today. If you go fast today, well, you're an idiot. So let's see how the trip to CP goes. We have now come to a stop. I am on the 13 southbound. Just went through the Dorval Tunnel. It goes underneath the airport. If there wasn't any traffic or snow, I'd be like 5 minutes away from the warehouse. But because there is a lot of traffic and there is a lot of snow, it's going to take me about a good 30 to 45 minutes just to get to the warehouse. Long day. Hey guys, stuck on the corner. Don't want to stop. Keep going. Well, that's it for today. Didn't really get a lot done, just that one return from TSI. That's all I really did. It took me 2.5 hours to get back to the warehouse, something that should take me 10-15 minutes, but because the snowstorm and traffic was so retarded today, that was pretty much, well, all I did. And then got the truck was stuck, and then the plows came, but they never really, because it's two separate contractors. When I can't do that, that's not a part of my contract. It's like, well, can you do this? Oh, it's not a part of my contract. Well, Jesus Christ, is being an asshole a part of your contract? Anyway, I'm heading home. It's 5 o'clock, and I'm probably going to take me about at least an hour at this pace, because I've been already in it for 15 minutes, and I'm hardly moving. 20 minutes. And I haven't even hardly moving. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe and share. Have a good day. And we'll see how it turns out for tomorrow. I'm home. Well, at least the driveway is done. The street's not, but the driveway is. However, the stairs are not. Go shovel them off then.